From past 10 years, we have been witnessing so many natural calamities at various seasons of globe, like volcanic eruption, cyclones, earthquakes. It seems like Mother Earth is showing her wrath. So this time, cyclonias came. Sometimes I feel like as if all these are reflections of our inner world, inner mental states. In our hectic lives, we overuse our part of brain, which deals with logic, information, and decision making. World of desire and distraction doesn't give our brain the rest it deserves, which chatters in our heads and often goes out of control. That most people ignores the signs until things go wrong. Depression, sufferings, stress have become global epidemic, causing chronic illness, anxiety, and anger. On the other hand, I am confused whether COVID-19 outbreak is home captivating or it's also reflecting the captivated mental state by social conditioning and cultural conditioning. तेजी से बारिश हो रही है, ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चल रहे हैं। तो चलिए अदरक वाली चाय बनाते हैं और कुछ छोटी बड़ी बातें करते हैं। अभी जो कुछ भी बोल रही थी जी, आप सोच रहे होंगे कुछ कुछ समझ आ रहा है, कुछ कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। चलिए मैं आपको समझाती हूँ। भारत के एक बहुचर्चित आध्यात्मिक गुरु कहते हैं, पर्सनालिटी इज नॉट योर रियलिटी, इट इज़ गिवन बाय द कल्चर एंड सोसाइटी, इंडिविजुअलिटी इज योर्स ओनली। To be individual, you have to rebel against personality and against all those people who are forcing a certain personality on you. A child is born with a certain potential to be. Its society tries to make him or her something else. Individuality is driven by soul. Personality is made by mind, which is already in the cage of cultural and social conditioning. Soul is eternal, it has passed through many past lives and many bodies. So, thousand years of learning is stored in soul memory. And all the life teachings given by God is also well absorbed by soul. Soul comes to earth taking oath to fulfill all its responsibilities and missions. All souls have some common responsibilities, some own personal missions of wellness of people. Of all common responsibilities, taking care of Mother Earth and its component is the most important things to do. सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ में से प्रकृति पर्यावरण का ध्यान रखना सबसे ज़रूरी है। Mind is all set to lead us towards destructive activities like deforestation, burning fossil fuels, eliminating greenhouse gases from factories, leading to global warming. As all these influenced activities by mind, how our soul can rest peacefully? तूफान तो होगा ही। Soul always want to maintain harmony with the environment. Disconnecting from that harmony may push Mother Earth into an unrecoverable dangerous condition. So, all the natural calamities are reflections of our deed, and triggering human minds for good changes reminds human lives their responsibilities, duties towards environment. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is greatest accomplishment.